Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute letter to Santa that I created myself. You can use it as a greeting card, like I created with a little piece of paper where you can write your message, and you can do in this way with a little peg. You can close the arms with the little piece of paper, or you can use it as a home decor in this way, and you can hang the Santa Claus to the tree or the door or the window. I created a full template that you will find on my blog. I will put the link below the video, and then you can cut and trace all the pieces and create in an easy way this super cute Santa Claus. Now let's get started to create this Santa Claus. I already cut some part of Santa Claus. Here the other part that I traced, and then you will need to use a pair of scissors in order to cut all your part. I've already cut the body and the hat. Now we are cutting the arm. And you can also cancel all the line. I will suggest that you will trace your template with a pencil, and then you can cancel all the lines. Here our arms, and then the boots. It's quite easy to create, and it's so funny. And if you use this Santa Claus as a greeting card, you can put it in an envelope, in a regular envelope, and send it easily. Voila, the second boot. Okay, now our hands. Okay, one end and the other one. I suggest that you cut all the pieces before starting to create your Santa. You can use a red paper, cardstock, or the color that you prefer. Voila! I've already cut a circle for the face, and then for the pompon of the hat. Okay, now that we have traced all and cut all, here you will, in your template, you will find the fold line. You will need to fold inside this part. Voila, because we will glue this part and the other part. Okay. Okay. With some glue, we will start to create Santa. Voila. Okay. the other arm. Okay, voila. Okay, now we will attach our hand with a little glue here. Okay, and the other one here with some little glue. You can use the glue that you prefer. I like this glue tape. It's permanent, it's quite easy to create this paper creation. Okay, now we will need to glue the boots here in this way. Okay, the other one. Okay, then here the face, we will need to glue this to our Santa letter in this place. Okay, here the pompon with a little glue, because the pompon it's a little bigger, and so okay, in this way. Now I will suggest that you trace with a black pen this part. Okay, and now the bottom. Okay, and you can use another kind of pen if you prefer another color. It's your choice. You can use also if you have a glitter paper. Okay, now we will need to create the face of our Santa, this part, and then I will use this. I cut another circle, paper circle in pink, and then because we need to have the face a little smaller, you can do in this way. Okay, now here your face, and then we will trace the eyes. And you can trace it in blue, in black, or another color. Now we will need to glue our face. In this place. Okay, we will trace our mouth. Okay, and with another pink pen we will need to create the nose and the cheek. Voila! Here our Santa Claus. It's quite easy and quite funny to create. If you want, you can trace again here. If you want a bold line. Okay. It's quite easy to create this Santa Claus. And then you will provided the full template, and I hope you enjoyed this video and this paper creation that I think it's quite nice. Above all, to hang out. You can write Merry Christmas inside and to hang to your window. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with the new paper creations for Christmas. Bye bye.